Hello, my dear student. See, this question has been asked in CBSE Board 2023. Calculate the EMF of the cell Ni plus 2Ag forming Ni plus 2 plus 2Ag, and its concentration is given Ag2Ag plus and Ni2 plus. Given inert cell equals to 1.05 volt. So EMF of the cell, that is our E cell, equals to, this is called the Nernst equation. From Nernst equation we get the EMF of the cell, that is our E cell. Formula: E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon n log concentration of product पावर में स्टोइकोमेट्रिक कोफिशिएंट अपॉन concentration of reactant power में stoichiometric coefficient. Let's suppose b. So here the value of n is nothing but number of electrons. So the number of electrons is 2, value of n is 2, and the concentration of product, this is our product, then concentration of product is, that is our concentration of nickel 2 plus is 0.1, and the concentration of reactant, that is our Ag plus, it is our 0.01 molarity. So here we have to put the value of all these things. So we get E cell equals to E naught cell, how much? 1.05 minus 0.0591 upon value of n is 2 log concentration of product, that is our 0.1, because here is no any stoichiometric coefficient, so simply here is 0.1 upon 0.01, and see here the stoichiometric coefficient of Ag plus is 2, so we can write here whole square. From here we get E cell equals to 1.05 minus, now if we divide by 2 we get 0.02955 into log 0.1 upon, if we square it, it becomes 0.00 and one more 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from here we get E cell equals to 1.05 minus 0.02955 into, here it becomes log, see here is our 0.1 upon 0.0001, so from here we get 1000, and if we have not the given the base of log, so we can assume that the base of log is 10. So from here we get E cell equals to 1.05 minus 0.02955 into log 1000 base 10, it becomes 3. So from here we get the value 0.96135 volts. This is our EMF of cell, this is our answer. So if you want to see full lecture, then subscribe my channel Phantom Study Classes 1 and 2 and must be share.